Ever found yourself fumbling with the card machine during a rush? Let's master the Barclays card machine for seamless transactions in any situation. For a chip and PIN payment, simply insert the customer's card into the bottom slot, ensuring the chip faces upwards towards the machine's display. The machine will then prompt the customer to input their 4-digit PIN. Make sure they enter it on the keypad and press the green Enter button when finished. Handling contactless payments is even quicker. Just have the customer tap their card, smartphone, or wearable device against the illuminated contactless symbol at the top of the machine. The machine will confirm approved for both transaction types, and then you'll hear a beeping sound indicating a successful payment. A receipt will then print for the customer. Now, for refunds from the home screen, press the menu button, typically located on the top left or designated by 3 lines. Navigate through the options using the arrow keys until you reach refund and then select it using the green Enter button. Enter the refund amount using the keypad, followed by the customer's card details when prompted, and then press Enter. The machine will confirm the refund has been processed. Mastering these simple steps ensures confident, efficient transactions, keeping your business flowing smoothly, especially during peak times. Thank you for watching.